Are you looking for info about Lexington, Massachusetts geothermal heating? You are in the right place. This innovative heating solution harnesses the Earth's energy to provide efficient heating and cooling for your home. One common mistake is assuming all geothermal systems are the same. Background research is essential. Always check local regulations and energy options before committing. To avoid this, consult with local experts who can guide you through specific options tailored to your home and local market. Another frequent mistake is not asking enough questions. Understanding your system is crucial for maximizing efficiency. To avoid this pitfall, make a list of questions before meeting with contractors. This ensures you cover all aspects of installation and maintenance. One of the most asked questions is, how does geothermal heating work? Geothermal systems utilize the Earth's temperature to heat your home using a heat pump. Another common question is geothermal heating expensive? While initial costs can be high, the savings on energy bills often offset these costs within a few years. Finally, many wonder, who can install geothermal systems? It's best to choose a licensed contractor specializing in geothermal heating for optimal results. Ready to elevate your home? Call us now at 781-230-7574 or visit lexingtongeothermal.com for more information.